1, 2, 3. Ah!
Kia ora. So we just got our damp tested and we're free of damp.
Yay!
Which is good news.
Yes, very good news.
And now we're at the Elms, which is hello.
So we're still at the Elms Te Papa Tauranga, and we've just had our guided tour into the mission and the library by Rose.
Yeah.
It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, really beautiful, really well what's the word?
Preserved, yeah. And the tour was great. You definitely you have to have the tour to go into the library and the main house. And it was really good, really interesting. We like getting tours, don't we?
Yeah.
We like self-guided as well.
The rest of it's self-guided, like all the gardens and that, which is what we'll do now.
Yeah, but it's really, really, really pretty. Really well maintained. There's a gardener here. It's good. Good way to spend an hour though.
Yeah, very good.
Check it out.
Fun? After visiting the lovely Elms, we popped into Tauranga town centre for a wander. Tauranga is a coastal city in the Bay of Plenty and the 5th most populous city in New Zealand. The Strand waterfront area is a nice area for a wander with many restaurants and shops, and there's also a historical walk which takes in many Victorian era buildings. We visited the Tauranga Art Gallery, which was pretty awesome, and we had a nose in some antique shops before heading to the historic village. Hey! Jordan just made us a lovely bacon roll each. 2 bacon rolls each. And we've just been to the historic village in Tauranga. Yeah, I think it's all the old buildings were actually put there for tourism, so it's not like a actual historic village, but
No.
I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, now we're on our way to Waimarino Water Park.
In the rain.
It's just started raining. Not heavy, so we should be fine.
We're going to get wet anyway, aren't we?
We're going to get wet anyway. But yeah, it's a water park, adventure park. They've got kayaks, boats, different activities that you can do. It looks pretty fun. So yeah, we'll give that a go.
activity number 1 at Waimarino Adventure Park is kayaking. Yeah! And you'll know how much we love a good kayak. We just met the host, Maddie, who was really nice. And it is spitting a bit, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. No. But this place has been here since 1975. Can you believe that? That's so cool. What was it? You said it hurt. So we're having a lovely time at Waimarino Adventure Park, especially Tom. Yay. And we're just in the warming pool right now, which is nice. It's a little bit nippy today. Oh, I don't like it. Go, love you, go. Just jump, go, baby, go. Go, baby, go, baby. Go, baby. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh! So we're all recovered from Waimarino Adventure Park. And we're at a place called Ferguson Park in Tauranga. This is our view. Yep, it's rained a bit more, but it's not really that cold at all. It's quite nice, and this seems like a really nice quiet campsite. Gates lock at it's council run. There's 3 spaces. There's 2 over there and then this one here on its own. There's toilets here and an inside cold shower that Tom's just used and I've just used to save our water, but they were disgusting. I might actually call the council and tell them how bad they were, because they may not know. And the gates lock here, the council lock the gate, I think it's 10 PM, so it's nice you don't get any bogans coming in and revving their engines or whatever. So yeah, this is nice. Just digging into these feijoas that Tommy got from that roadside stall. They taste so nice. Hi, I'm just doing our social media. So if anybody out there loves our social media, it's mainly me that does it.
Lies.
And, yeah, I can do your social media for you at a cost.
Lies. We're having falafel burgers. Never tried these before.
We're vegging out tonight because it's wet.
Put all the blinds down. We've got the heating on. It's actually too hot now.
It's because we're in the jumper.
Yeah. Burgers.
We've just woken up at Ferguson Point Freedom Camp, and we had a lovely quiet night, didn't we?
Yeah, and the weather this morning is totally different to last night. It's
totally different. It rained a little bit yesterday and it got real nippy, but it's just beautiful.
And this morning we went for a joggy walk and a little dip, didn't we?
We did, yeah. And it's quite nice here. It felt very safe. There's 3 spots, 2 next to each other. We're just about to pass them now. See those little itty bitty vans there. and then one bigger spot on its own where we was. Yeah, and it's fine. Thanks, Tauranga. We were going to go and try and find some gas today, but it's Good Friday, so we can't really find any, and we don't want to go all the way back to Mount Maunganui. So it's fine if we have to eat cans of beans, cold.
We're not that low, it's fine.
No.
We could probably last another week, so.
Why are we worrying about it?
Well, I don't know, just in case.
He's such an old man. And then we might go to Cutty today, or we might go tomorrow. Haven't decided yet. But it should be a nice, sunny, lovely day. Oh, we might go for a curry as well.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yeah, which will be really nice. We love Indian food, so if anybody's out there who has an Indian restaurant or is really good at cooking Indian food and wants to invite us over for dinner, we'll be there. Some more? Coming back for more. Finding it.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah? Even if you're getting ignored by the alpacas.
Yeah, they don't want any more food. It's fine.
Never mind. Having a lovely time at Marshall's Animal Park, aren't we?
Yeah.
Ostriches were crazy, and we've came to the lookout bit, panoramic views, and finally got away from some really obnoxious little kids. Ugh, horrible things. It's a really good day out though, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
How much is it?
Only $14 per adult. I'm not sure how much for kids though.
It's really, really good value for money. It's really nicely put together as well. Yeah, I'll just show you this view. Getting hungry. Eel. Oh, cool. Oh, this is nice.
Hello. So we've just finished up at Marshall's Animal Park, which was fun. Really recommend it. Nice, cheap, easy day out. Great for all the family. And now we're out to McLaren Falls, which was literally just like a minute down the road in the same sort of area. Yeah, it's like all council owned, and there's lots of different campsites in the bush. We're not going to camp here, I don't think. We're heading off, but
gone to McLaren Falls. We hadn't. Don't know what falls that is. McLaren Falls is actually not in the park area. It's on the way out on the main road.